So I talk a good bit about self-sufficiency out here. Come here, Ava. Hey, Bubba. This is what I mean right here. These goats love to run up on my water pump and rub it and stand on it. So today, we have this, a busted water pump pipe. So, used to, what I would do is I would call the electrician or the plumber or both and have them come out and fix it. Pay anywhere from like $450 to $1,000. But today, I would go to Home Depot and I'll pay about $5 to get that little L corner I need and replace that. And I'll be about an hour out of time and $5. So, yep, learning as I go, y'all.